Hello from Slovenia again. Uh, Today I will start with already a failed pour. I'm experimenting with the new mixture. I mixed just acrylic paints with water and I added a splash of Vallejo Polyurethane satin varnish. And for the white that you see here, not the one that I am putting on now. This is just the same mixture. But the white for kind of a base is my pearl white mixture. All the recipes and everything will be in the description box. And I use magenta, phthalo blue and Naples yellow. And I have some black and white on top here where I'm blowing this out. I blow this out with this, I don't know, attachment that I got from Paint Pour Store. I don't know how it's called. It's a nozzle or something. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that you can find it. I worked quite some time on this because I really wanted to look at like a seascape or something. Yeah, it's not easy to do it just with those three colors and black and white, but my primary thing was that I want to see how this work, and the paints were really, really thin. This time I'm not used to work with thin paints, but I like to challenge myself because I believe that my brain just need that. So yeah, I was just playing. I'm doing voiceover because I was just in the moment trying things, not necessarily want to explain at the beginning what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain that. Sometimes I just want to be alone with my thoughts. Now I will let you listen to some music and I will be back to you with talking at the dried results. Enjoy. So here she is dry. This was definitely very interesting experiment, just with acrylic paint mixed with water with a splash of Vallejo Polyurethane satin varnish. Of course, my pearl white mixture created some lacing and some things. I really like this bottom part, how it turned out, because I blew this part on top almost of the blue, and I really like how it turned out. Yeah, I used just primary colors. When I do some experimentation, I normally use primary colors. No, it's not primary colors. This is Naples yellow and magenta and phthalo blue. It's not primary yellow, it's Naples yellow, but kind of primary colors. And I'm really happy how this turned out, and I will play a little more. I want to do just one, I don't know, kind of pearl pour, just add some paint on and tilt it around and see how that will work out with this recipe. But I lately like to play with the hairdryer, blowing paint around, create this abstract, mostly landscape looking paintings. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. So this was it for today. I would love to hear in the comments what you think about this effects with this mixture. And if you like this, please share, like, subscribe, all those things that helps my algorithms. YouTube is just not liking our content lately, or at least mine, I don't know. So yeah, it will help a lot. So yeah, thank you for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!